Model, 2009 Ford Transit 2 TDCI 140 PS medium wheelbase, Mr. Minibus Crew Cab Long MOT excellent runner. Body, silver, minibus. Mileage, 183831. MOT, the 27th of March 2025. Engine, 2198 cc TDCI 140 PS DURATORQ-I. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. ABS light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear seating area is very clean. Well looked after minibus. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, sat-nav, air-con. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.